Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is a video for how to put on roof. By far, I've had with this crazy weather that we've been getting lately, my tools are getting wet, so my shit is leaking from somewhere. More than likely with expansion and contraction of the wood. So today, being a long weekend, I was like, you know what? It's time to fix that thing. I got plenty of time. Hopefully they don't call me for work. So this is what we got going on. By far, I only bought 2 stacks of roofing, which were like about $30 each, and 1 sheet of plywood, 3/4 I think thick. Yeah, three-quarter thick. Out of that 1 sheet, I've covered the entire space of the roof itself. Definitely I had to do some Tetris cutting, but I used my trusty chalk line. So this is what's next. Let's move on to the next part. All right. Okay, so you really just want them staggered, one on top of the other. What I will end up doing, I didn't put a protective coat right on top of the wood itself, due to the fact that the layers beneath it already have that protective wood. Cover. Once I do this whole row, about 2 stacks, I want to make it so that none of the wood gets completely wet. Once that's set, we should see how everything else plays out. Okay? Catch you guys once this is done. Alright guys, roof is done, or the roof of the shed is done. Now to have a quick look at it. I double layered it just for extra protection and extra weight. Lately we've been getting a lot of wind. Yeah, basic tools, chalk line, hammer, box cutter knife, tripod that was only used once, some nails, and a saw for the wood. Overall, I want to say this is like a 6x5, so that's roughly 30 square feet. Took me about an hour and a half, so you can only imagine a full house. So like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Okay, see you in the next one.